Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone, and today we're going to open up the all-new 21-22, that's right, all-new, Hobby Basketball Mosaic. So Mosaic, a lot like last year, is going to feature 15 cards a pack, 10 packs a box. You're going to receive one autograph per box on average, of course. 20 parallel prisms. You can look for the stain. Let me open this up so you guys can actually see what that says. So look for stained glass, rookie eruption, translucent inserts, and those say ultra rare, so maybe a case hit. And same thing on the other side. And here's the back. You're going to feature a 300 base card set, including 200 base, 45 base rookies, 15 base national prides, 20 base NBA debuts, 15 base all NBA, and 5 finals MVPs. And then here's your odds on all your inserts and stuff. So without further ado, let's check out. Oh, they have Jalen Suggs as the cover boy. I don't know. Okay, let's check these out. Steven Adams, Harrison Barnes, Tyrese Maxey, Kobe White, DeMar DeRozan, Devontae Graham, Joe. You have a Jaren Jackson. There's one of our prisms. There's a Mike Conley. That's a white numbered to 25. You get like one white a box. It'd be nice to get a little better. Rising Stars. Technically, I guess that's a rookie insert of Franz Wagner. Larry Bird. There's another prism. One of the, 45 we're going to get. Steph Curry. Jalen Green rookie. Evan Mobley rookie. And those are not the debut. They're the actual rookies. So they're honestly two of the better ones you can get. So that's good. We'll probably send those into PSA. See if we can get some 10s. They look sharp. We send in the CSG and PSA. So if you would like to send your cards in too, stop in. We'll take those submissions. CSG is about a 2-week turnaround. PSA is about 40 days. Karis LeVert, Anthony Davis. Here's a silver prism rookie of Jonathan Kuminga. So honestly, that's nice. Here's a Steph Curry all NBA, and that's a red non-numbered, but that's still a really good card. Stairmasters LaMelo Ball. Straight Fire Giannis Antetokounmpo. That's a prism. That's a really nice card too. So out of 2 packs, honestly, very, very good here. Finals MVP Giannis. Nikolai Jokic, All-NBA. Could be another MVP. There's base rookie Franz Wagner. Mosaic is known to be extremely hard to get a good autograph, so we'll have to see. We have these available on our website right now, sportszonetoyscomics.com. We will ship it out today for you. A lot of instances we can do the FedEx 2-day one-rate pack. There's the auto. Oh, it's a good auto. Jalen Green, Houston Rockets, and it's a Mosaic. It's a prism, but not numbered. But honestly, that's a huge win out of Mosaic. That's great. Great pull. Drew Holiday, that's a silver prism. We haven't got a silver yet. Max Kepler. Stairmasters, Steph Curry. Swagger, Trae Young. And it's a red. Honestly, this is starting out really good. Donovan Mitchell. 2 rookies. Yeah, that's good. So we've been hitting some good stuff here lately, breaking stuff for you guys. Some more base here. Siakam, Zach LaVine, Kelly Olynyk, Brandon Ingram, Halliburton. There's an Obi Toppin, Prism, silver. Donovan Mitchell. Whoa, is that a white to 25? No way. Donovan Mitchell white to 25. I'm sorry, Davion Mitchell at the rookie. I knew. I just got excited. Introduction, Scotty Barnes. That's a nice card as well. So you'll see all the insert different sets at the top there. Stairmasters, Klay Thompson, non-numbered. Scotty Barnes, the debut rookie. Wow, these are, we're hitting some good cards here this year. It's a really good box. I can't believe we got a Davion Mitchell to 25, a Connolly to 25, the Jalen Green auto. Man, oh man. Phenomenal box so far. Nikolai Vucevic, Jaylen Brown, D'Angelo Russell, Josh McDaniels, Josh Hart, Derek White, Cam Reddish, Theo Tucker, Isaiah Stewart, that's a silver. Buddy Hield in red. A Moments, Blake Griffin. Oh, there we go. Whoa, there's no way. A Rookie Eruption, ultra rare. That's on the box. That's one of the ultra rares. Wow. These are fire. Get your Mosaic like right now. Look at this. Josh Giddey rookie, Jonathan Kuminga rookie, a Steph Curry National Pride. Some good rookies. Wow. Boy, is this box delivering. I gotta say, Mosaic must have stepped it up this year. I mean, these are tremendous cards. Thank you, Panini. Oh my goodness. Lonzo Ball, Gordon Hayward, Wendell Carter Jr., Karl Anthony Towns, Grayson Allen, Moses Moody. There's a Carmelo Anthony in red. A Moments, Luka Doncic. Rising Stars, Jalen Suggs, and it's a Prism. Rudy Gobert, Greg Brown, Isaiah Todd. Rajon Rondo, Cleveland Cavaliers. Brogdon Bogdanovic, Danny Green, Thibault, Donovan Mitchell, Klay Thompson, Quentin Grimes, silver. Red, Rookie of Bones, Highland. It's honestly a nice card as well. Kevin Durant montage. A Jalen Green introductions, and it's a red prism. Very cool. Trey Murphy, Josh Christopher rookies. Paul George All-NBA. Okay, guys, there's 3 packs left out of the 21-22 Mosaic Hobby Box. Quigley, Holmes, Luka Doncic, Killian Hayes, Evan Fournier, Luke Kennard, Isaac Okoro, James Wiseman, Marvin Bagley III, that's a silver. Zach LaVine in red. A Moments, Kawhi Leonard. Evan Mobley, Rising Stars. James Bouknight. Zach LaVine. Brandon Boston Jr. 2 packs. It's been a really, really fun rip for sure. Jordan Clarkson, Jamal Murray, Patty Mills, Montel Morris, Lauri Markkanen having a heck of a year. PJ Washington, John Wall. So Keldon Johnson silver. Alec Burns red. LaMelo Ball rookie Rising Stars. I'm sorry, not rookie, but Rising Star. Whoa, what is this? LeBron James Moments yellow Mosaic. No, oh my goodness, numbered to 10. Wow. That is a huge card. Oh my goodness. JT Thor, Jared Butler, Zaire Williams. Wow. I'll tell you, get the Mosaic now. This is absolutely phenomenal this year. And for $300 and some a box, like, wow. Lots of cards too, which is great. Anthony Edwards, Mo Bamba, Andrew Wiggins, Jalen Brunson, Peyton Pritchard. There's a Jay Crowder, Kira, Darius Garland, montage of Sabonis, non-numbered prism, Isaiah Jackson rookie, a Scotty Barnes National Pride rookie, and a Davion Mitchell NBA debut. So these are phenomenal. Wow. There you go. 21-22 Panini Mosaic Hobby Box. Again, pick up your box, sportszonetoyscomics.com. We clearly get good cards, so pick one up today. If you're in store, you can pick them up by the pack as well. And we just thank you very much for watching. Please share the video, get the content out there with others, share it with your friends. Thank you, and have a nice day.